Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been absolutely ages, so I thought I'd do like a quick clean with me video. Basically, I'm on my lunch break, so it's literally going to be about 15-20 minutes, hopefully, and my house is currently an absolute tip. In case you don't know, I have a huge white German Shepherd dog and also a 16-month-old. So if you are a mum, you would know the fact that like it gets absolutely crazy, and before you like even turn around and look back, it's already like a tornado's been around. So I'm hoping to firstly like clean up the place, tidy up all the toys. You'll see what I mean, because I'm going to show you some footage around like how bad it actually is, and also like just try and hoover the place up, because for some reason Casper's fur is everywhere and he's got more fur than usual. I'm flabbergasted, like I'm completely confused why like he is so hairy. Like it's hot, so surely he should have left all of his like winter fur behind. But it looks like because we're in the UK and the weather changes so quickly, like it's raining one day, it's really cold, and then all of a sudden it turns and then it's really hot and it's sunny. So maybe that's why like his fur just doesn't know what to do, so he's just molting every single day. Anyway, enough moaning about like fur and dogs and babies. I think I'm just gonna get on with it. Last thing I was going to mention though is I love to work to music, so if you do see me boogieing, dancing or singing, you'll know why. Before we start, just wanted to say if you do like the video, please do give me a thumbs up. I do this in my spare time, so I'd very much appreciate it. Also, I really hope that this also gives you motivation to do some of your own cleaning. So let's get to it. me, isn't it so much better? Yes, there's lots of things that I want to do more of. So like I need to dust the shelves, I need to wash the throws rather than actually like turn them around and pretend that everything's okay and that there's no stains on the other side. Anyway, I'm so glad that I managed to do all the stuff that I did. I actually managed to do more than I expected during this lunchtime. So thank you so much for watching. I hope it gave you some motivation as well. And I can't wait to be doing more of these clean with me videos. So do subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.